Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact F1vm build and installing the latest update. This often fixes known freezes. Next, close overlays and unnecessary background programs so the process has headroom, and make sure at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free RAM remains. Then run the built-in file verification or reinstall the core game modules to replace corrupted assets. These steps remove common culprits quickly. Once done, restart the machine to ensure the system state is clean before deeper troubleshooting. Now focus on diagnostics. Update or roll back GPU drivers depending on when the freeze began, because driver regressions cause many crashes. Enable F1vm debug logging and reproduce the freeze while capturing logs and timestamps so you can correlate events. Lower graphics and background services to test stability and temporarily disable mods, custom controllers, or third-party plugins to isolate the trigger. If the freeze disappears on low settings or without mods, you've identified the subsystem to target for repair or a workaround. Finish by applying targeted remedies based on your findings. Restore a clean configuration file, reinstall GPU drivers cleanly, or perform a full reinstall of F1vm if corrupted binaries persist. Use safe mode launch flags to bypass mods and custom assets while confirming stability. Once stable, reintroduce items one at a time. If the freeze continues, compile the debug logs, timestamps, exact system specs, driver versions, and step-by-step reproduction notes and submit them to support. One key tip: always reproduce the freeze with logging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.